I am really delighted to have you here in such a large number, more than 570 players from 15 countries. A big thank you to you all. I just want to brief you about Mr. Goyal. Mr. Goyal himself is a wonderful sports person, sports lover, and in India, any sports other than cricket survives only government support. So Mr. Goyal, support for Indian chess as a sports minister, it is wonderful, and he is doing a wonderful job as a sports minister. Our concern is about chess. I think he is doing extremely well for chess. I request all of you, because of him we are able to organize this championship in this wonderful hotel. I request all of you to stand up and give him a standing ovation for Mr. Vijay Goyal.
It gives me immense pleasure to be here today for so many reasons. First and foremost is the presence of the Minister of Sports, the presiding deity of Indian sports, Sri Vijay Goyal ji. So kind of you to come here today. By your presence, you have elevated the status of this tournament, the standard of this tournament. It won't be out of place to mention here our Prime Minister. As the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he was the first Chief Minister in all the states in India to introduce chess as a curriculum in all schools. And as the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he held a massive chess program with 20,000 chess players playing at one time, and it is a Guinness Book of Records. So naturally, we in the All India Chess Federation and the chess lovers are very happy that a chess lover is now the Prime Minister of the country. Sir, just to brag something about us in the All India Chess Federation. A new set of office bearers took over in 2006. Is Mr. Bharat Singh, myself and others. At that time, the total number of registered players in the FIDE, that is the World Chess Federation, was only 18,000. After 10 years, India has got 66,000 players as registered in the FIDE, in the World Chess Federation.
Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, so please come forward, sir, and say a few words.
I am a champion also in chess, but in my house only. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure for me to be present here to inaugurate the Commonwealth Chess Championship 2017. Having taken honor as a head of the Indian sports as sports minister, years ago I have been trying my best to implement the schemes that will benefit the Indian sports on the whole. And obviously chess holds a special place in our hearts, as the game originated in our great country in the form of Shatranj from the ancient period of Maharashtra. I am happy to note that 15 countries are taking part in this Commonwealth Chess Championship with over 550 players from across the Commonwealth nations taking part in the event. There are 16 Grand Masters in this Open Championship, apart from 13 International Masters, and most importantly, 5 Women Grand Masters are also taking part in it. Chess is indeed a wonderful game. It is our endeavor to take the game of chess to new heights, for which I hope the Commonwealth Chess Championship and similar events will prove to be the platforms that will help Indian chess reach new heights. While I am obviously delighted for a massive participation coming from my countrymen, I would like to extend a very hard welcome to the players and delegates from different countries, and I wish you all the very best in the coming days.
बेटा आगे से कर दो।
हो गया? कहावत है